Yo, I got a good one for yous today. Hi, my name is. Hi, my name is. Hi, my name is. Slim Shady. Okay, we all know Eminem. If you don't know Eminem, Slim Shady, Marshall Mathers, you have been living in a box for the past like 20 years. He is one of the coolest rappers there ever was and ever will be. I'm a big fan. I think I've seen him twice in concert now, so it's absolutely brilliant. So I decided to draw him. You got a sneak peek there of what he looks like. Let's get down to how I went about that. Okay, with this piece, I wanted to go large. I had previously tested A1 size, and A1 size worked out well. Paint took well to the A1 sheet as opposed to the thicker A2 card. So this A1 sheet worked fine. Laid down a spray paint. I actually initially, do you remember those wee badges? You're bound to have seen them. You go to conferences and they give you them and it says, "Hello, my name is." So I had seen one of them and thought, right, well, I want to do something along that. And of course that song, the infamous Eminem song, "My Name Is," like you've just heard. So that song there was perfect. So "Hello, my name is," and it's like, I've got to draw Eminem. So with the A1 sheet, massive, sprayed down, actually sprayed down what looked like one of those like label stickers. And then I thought, right, well, what can I do with that? So Eminem it was gonna be. I this time went about it slightly differently. So I actually tried just testing to spray the actual outline of what I was gonna use the Eminem picture onto the actual page with the spray paint. Now for me at the minute, it was too small a piece. I needed to go really big if I'm gonna go into spray paint, and I am gonna do that in the future, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do a whole piece just on spray paint without bringing in the acrylic pens. So with this piece here, I tried initially with the spray paint, the nozzles were wrong and everything, so I was getting a lot of overspray and it just looked clunky, but it did actually lay down a basis of where I wanted to go with it. So let that dry. It's good to let it a good 24 hours. Normally you can go with spray paint immediately. Well, about, I don't know, half an hour to an hour, but because it was laying down so much paint, I wanted to let the paint underneath dry. So everything dried, came back to it 24 hours later, and then this is where the fun started. Right, I already had my image chosen because I tried to spray it on to the A1 sheet, and it was, yeah, the image I wanted to go for. I wanted to keep it black and white and I suppose grey in there as well. There's red in the background, but the actual focal point, the Eminem bit, I didn't want to add any colour to that because I think the piece I was referencing had like a yellow necklace, but I didn't want to bring that into it. So yeah, just kept it black, white and grey with the background being that red pop and then the hello at the top, "Hello, my name is." So build up the colours. For this particular one, I wanted to build the dark side first, so I went really heavy black on it and then came through with a white. Usual style, nice white scratchy sort of image. I want to, as I said before, put my own mark on it. I don't want to just do a realistic, like photorealistic style, because that involves a lot more attention to detail and like not making any mistakes, where I find that I can be more creative if I'm just sort of letting the magic happen and more sort of scribbly, almost like a child with a crayon, you know, that. But it really leaves for a good finish. That is exactly what I did with Eminem. On his hat then, he had that cool detail of Shady. I think it's 08 it says, Shady 08, so it's back 2008. Whoa, where's time gone? So wanted to keep that in. And yeah, normally you just gotta master the eyes, the nose and the mouth. You get that in the shape of the face, then yeah, you're onto a good track. Let's cut straight into it. Reasonably short video today, but let's cut straight into it. So here we go. We've got initially at the top, massive A1 sheet, as I said. I'll move back a bit for this. We've got the hello in there. I added in the "My name is" just for the gesture to go along with the sticker. Then we've got the Shady. This here is just a bit of artistic flair. It's sort of like a smiley face and all sorts. I wanted to have that like massive scatter of paint in the background. And then with Eminem himself, as you can see, I built up this dark side first, had the greys and the blacks, and then the white just went with that really scribbly, so you could see that close up. And then of course the tattoo on his neck, the S for Slim Shady, I'm guessing. And yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. The t-shirt at the end, he is wearing a t-shirt and there's a definitive line there, but as I said, I wanted to keep the background sort of part of the piece, so I just molded the t-shirt into the background. But overall, well chuffed with how that finished. Yeah, maybe I'll actually send it to Eminem. How cool would that be? Send it to Slim Shady himself and see his reaction. That would be super cool. But anyway, as always, like, subscribe, drop your comments, let me know what you want for the next one. As I said, I think I'm gonna try a bit of actual spray painting, so like actually draw that picture onto like the wall, but it would need to be a lot bigger scale and it won't be as detailed as that. But yeah, I'll play about. I'll get the nozzles right. That's my main flaw at the minute, is the nozzles on the spray paint. Don't have enough time practicing it, so I need to get practicing. But yep, have an amazing one, and I shall see you soon.